Bitcoin, this is a trap, maybe Santa's trap. We are with the grades right now. You want to know everything about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, crypto to the max on this Christmas time with Rodrigo Arnedo. Today with the chart and this nice day we had yesterday with a 7.5% rise, almost 200K. We were so happy from 92,248 all the way up to 98,000 and something, close to 99, as you can see there. We touched it actually, but then ho ho ho, Santa or the Grinch, we found resistance and we'll see what's gonna happen right now. Why? Well, because we have then also this gap in the CME futures that is going to ruin probably all our Christmas time. You can see that we were going strong up too much. We hit 101 on the CME futures, but again, we have some homework to do. That's not happy. Remember this path I told you that we might be around January the 9th in the $78,000. Things like that might happen as dollar keeps on going higher. We are not, it seems, we are not following this path. We might forget about it, but you can see that we can be following this other one that I don't really honestly remember right now which one it is this one that we have from June the 12th, 2024, when we had that last decision of the Fed in United States. So if that's the case, again, we might go to 77.760. That's not a good thing. We have this guy frozen there. And probably you are not paying attention to Christmas, but just watching the chart all the time. You go there and eat a little bit, and then you go back to the chart. Amazing stuff, cartoons representing what's going on while everybody is in the plane trying to find a Wi-Fi so they know what's going on with their Bitcoin. And we are celebrating that from the very beginning of Bitcoin on Christmas Eve. Well, you can see that it's always rising and rising up to 94,120, which is amazing. I celebrated with my family and with Trezor. They gave me the tool for making these cookies, and those are amazing. Thank you, Mama, for cooking them, and also Tani for making these pictures so that we can share them with you. Remember that if you want safety on your crypto, you probably need a Trezor Safe 5 or a Trezor Safe 3. Any of the products that you have with Trezor, you have the link in the description below. You help the channel. Thank you very much. And again, do you think that after all these nice prices on Christmas Eve, we are going to go as this just progression of numbers says to zero in 2025? Because I don't think so. I believe we'll go much higher, of course. We'll see about that. I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. But in our weekly chart, we have there our lines so that we can just watch Bitcoin closely and see if we broke them or not. We're watching the stock markets. The last session in the United States was a good one. The last session in Asia was a good one. We'll see next ones. Now we have vacation, etc. And also we are paying attention to Bitcoin dominance. That seems to be going down and altcoins going up. But remember that in January, usually Bitcoin keeps on going higher. So beware of that possible trap. It's true that we have crazy bubbles going up, like Fartcoin going 34% up, also some all-time highs. But good thing is that the ones like IOTA is going up, and we like that. Also Dogecoin 5%, and some bad ones out there too. So be careful with your bet. If you wanna know about all those tokens, of course, dextools.io is the tool that you need to use. You have the link in the description below. Thank you very much to DexTools for being our partner this year so that you have all this information for free. Ethereum is going higher than $3,000 and 500. which is a good thing. But again, we have some lines of resistance for Ethereum, and it seems that we have still to wait. But what's going to happen next year? Probably you are wondering that already. Well, according to this tweet, the Standard & Poor's has traded above its 200 daily moving average all year. That happened 11 over times since 1952. And the next year move was about half the average. Last time this happened was 2021, and before that was 2017. So if that's the case and crypto behaves as it did on that time, what happened? Well, you can see 2017 was so happy, just this bull market, this banana time, and also we have these good times in 2021. Not as good, but also good. So if that's the case, we're going to be happy. Maybe so, because now we are crypto cult. We are in the Wall Street Journal in front page. Of course, we're still a cult according to them, and we are trading memes and doing stupid stuff, allegedly, but we are on top of Wall Street Journal, which is fine. Michael Saylor, the one that is being talked about in this article, acquired 5,262 Bitcoin. He's buying non-stop. Also now, Canadian RWA tokenization firm Matador Technologies has become the latest company incorporating Bitcoin into its treasury, with plans to allocate an initial 4.5 million this month. More good news, Visa Sheffield says that stablecoins can modernize payments. 2025 will introduce the next pivotal opportunity, the rise of stablecoin link cards. That's amazing. That's a good one, of course, for adoption out there. Also this one, Nokia files patent for a digital asset encryption device, signaling a move into blockchain security. So also a good one there. And it's so bullish that analysts are suggesting that the Federal Reserve can't stop Donald Trump from creating a US Bitcoin reserve via an executive order using the Treasury Exchange's Stabilization Fund. So it doesn't matter if Jerome Powell likes it or not, Donald Trump, the crypto bro, can make it happen. Also remember that according to Coin Bureau, the US could reduce national debt by 35% over 24 years if it builds a 1 million Bitcoin reserve, according to Van Eck. Van Eck projects Bitcoin price to grow 25% annually, reaching 42.3 million by 2049, offsetting 42 trillion in debt. The optimistic scenario assumes Bitcoin 25% annual growth rate starts from 200K price point in 2025. So that would be amazing news, of course. And also, what about Samsung now saying that it's going to be non-gradual increase in Bitcoin to 1 million, but rather a short, violent move up to the million. We like that idea. We're still greedy. We are in the 73 right now, even though we have some bad news today, of course. Which ones? Well, we have MTGOX money moving, allegedly, and that's one of the huge fears we had in the crypto market, of course. These people might sell. Also, allegedly, Russia is announcing a 6-year ban on Bitcoin mining, citing energy shortages. Is this true? If that's the case, that's a very bad one. But again, maybe this is because they don't want individuals just mining Bitcoin, but just the government by now. And according to the tracks we were following 2020-2016, remember that still room for optimism as we are in the last part of December, and those 2 years, electoral years, we rise at this point, and we are doing as we record this video. We'll see about that. Also, for adoption, MetaMask expands its US pilot program for a crypto payment card, allowing users to pay directly from their wallets. If you don't know how to use MetaMask, we have videos about it in our channel. Also remember, use them with the ledger device, and then you use them with a very more secure way. And you can have $70 if you buy a Flex with the link in the description below. And also you have discounts, or you have a gift of $40 and $30 if you use the link in the description below for the Ledger Nano S Plus and Ledger Nano X. Thank you for using the link in the description below, also for coin tracking, and you have a 10% discount with that link. Start for free, and in the future maybe you activate that 10%. Thank you coin tracking also for being partners this year. The best portfolio tracker for me, the only one that really works. And now it's time for our cats. Of course, in Christmas time they are playing with the tree. Are you doing so? That's a good idea. Have fun with your family and friends. It's not just about the presents, but having fun with your family. Go and do that as I'm gonna do right now. But we still have time for learning, of course, with AI. We have a new video released, and if you wanna more about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, we are close to 2,000 videos here on CryptoNews with Rodrigo Ornido. Noticias Bitcoin, fun on the ride, health, money, love, pour in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!